We're seeing a nice 3 BHK 1382 square feet carpet area in this royal beauty and a new tower, Classic Heights by Ajmera Cityscape. A lovely, towering, tall and proud one. We got a couple of parking spaces as well and a lovely lobby. Let's go inside and have a look at this 1382 square feet carpet area. Beautiful grand lobby as well, and you got ample of security, got a couple of high-speed modern elevators, and you got your staircase from here. If you see, big staircase. Let's go and have a look at a lovely 3 BHK in this one. So we're having a look at Ajmera Classic Heights by Ajmera Cityscapes, 1382 square feet carpet area. A big 3 BHK, very difficult to find a 3 BHK of 1382 square feet. And what we have is, we have a lovely living space right from here till there. And I want to show you the modern high-speed elevators. Now these are the high-speed elevators. You got one apartment per floor, you got a staircase, and now what we have is a big beautiful living space with a great expanse and a view of Beaumonde Towers garden here. So we're on a higher floor. It's a 14-story tower. We got a couple of bedrooms onto the other side, and so every bedroom has an attached ensuite bathroom with the ceiling height is 11 feet easily, floor to ceiling. Now you got big French windows, again full size, and this is a bare shell apartment, so you make it the way you want. Beaumonde Towers are standing tall right in front of us, and that's the apartment with the attached ensuite bathroom. Good size, they're big in size. Have a look at the size of the bedrooms as well, and beautiful view of the city and higher floor, a lot of sunlight coming in. This is another bedroom with the big nice windows as well. And Prabhadevi, we are at Prabhadevi. This is by Ajmera Cityscape. The tower sold out completely, one apartment only left. And let's go and have a look back at this place now. Fantastic living space. This is a gorgeous one, 1382 square feet carpet area. Now what we have is you got a powder room here, and you got a washing machine in the laundry room here. So what you can do is, if you want to combine these, you can do that. And there are two different separate ones, and you got a kitchen area as well. Good size kitchen with the square shape there, and lovely square shaped bedrooms, equal size from all corners. And have a look at this one here. Good. So what you can do is an open canvas. You can design it the way you want, and you can do your brush of interior design and put all your ideas into action. This is the view from here. It's excellent, it's beautiful, and all you can see is their garden and lovely serene landscape. This is posh Beaumonde Tower, but we are at Ajmera Cityscapes Classic Height, 14-story tower, one apartment per floor. This is the only apartment on this floor, one apartment per floor. That's it. Advertise, rent, sell your properties on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook with Rafiq Merchant. 3 BHK 1382 square feet carpet area. You tell me where you find it in Prabhadevi, and at a price that I'll be mentioning in the title and the description. Cheers.